Hi guys, good morning. It's me again, Mark Tabalin, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I will be reviewing the one that I unboxed last 20th September, which is the Apple Series 5. My first ever Apple Watch. Hi guys, so let's start unboxing my very first smartwatch.
A few moments later.
So guys, sabi nga ni Apple, you've never seen a watch like this because this is the first ever Apple Watch, a smartwatch that has an on-display mode. So guys, I have it here with me. So I'm using my Apple Watch Series 5. Ta-da! In aluminum stainless steel in space gray color. So my first impression about this is very cool. It gave me goosebumps when I actually opened the box because it's my first time to actually have a smartwatch, and boom, it's just blew me away. Charot. So it can be customized to any way you like. You can just purchase any bands or strap bands sa Apple Store, or you can have it online because guys, I bought a Melanie Steel band which is in black color. I'll show you. I bought this online, so I can't wait to actually try this. So what I am using now is the sports band in black color. And also guys, one thing I like about the phone itself, ba't palaging phone? So guys, this watch has also an app to actually keep an eye on your heart rate. There's ECG and heart rate apps. So for girls, you can easily track your period using the Cycle app that we have here in Apple Series 5. And also, this watch helps you crush your fitness goals. So guys, that's why I am very excited to have this watch kasi gusto ko matrack yung calories burn ko, yung lahat, ilang steps na meron ako, kasi gusto ko siya ma-maintain. Apple can stream up to 50 million songs, but of course you choose your favorite playlist and you can save it, and you can just use your Apple Music without your phone. Just use your earbuds and you can kapoy na kayo sa English, ma'am. Bagong app ang Series 5 because this watch has a great sense of direction, yung compass. And also, with the compass and ground elevation, it made for life twists and turns and also ups and downs. So guys, kung may mga pinagdadaanan kayo, you can can just use your compass to actually lead you the right direction if you're lost. And one thing I like most about this watch is you can get the application in just a second tap. So the Apple Store is now on your wrist, so you can just find your favorite application in just one tap. So the reason why I purchased this watch is because I am not using my phone at work. So basically, it helps me updated if someone messaged me or someone called me. Or for example, I have an emergency call. I can just receive a call or message using my Apple Watch. So it lets you go without your phone. Of course, as what I've mentioned, dapat nakakonect siya sa mobile data. The one that I purchased is just the GPS. I didn't purchase the one with cellular because I think it's not necessary for me to have the cellular watch. Well, it gives help. Since I'm using Apple product, I am not bringing cash sa wallet ko. So ngayon, may Apple Pay din dito. Pay for your morning coffee instantly and secure with the Apple Pay. You can just use your watch to pay your groceries. And sabi nila, si Siri is updated na sa Apple Series 5. So you can just talk to Siri, you can ask Siri to message someone, you can ask Siri to to play music. Let's try. Hey Siri. So guys, let's try Siri. Hey Siri.
I'm listening.
What's the weather today?
Okay, here's the weather for today.
Good. Hey Siri. Can you call I Love Guapsakan?
Calling Islavik Wapsikin. Mobile.
Ay, hindi niya pa sinagot. Baka nasa work siya. So guys, thumbs up. Ganahan ko sa watch. So guys, let's try one more time. Hello.
Hello. Hi, kaya na. Hi, everyone.
Invite them to your YouTube.
Hi, everyone. I'm inviting you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click Johnny Yahya and you'll see a good videos, like everything is there. So please don't forget to subscribe. I'll beg you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So guys, here's my review about the Apple Watch Series 5. It's very usable. So I'm enjoying the Apple Watch so far. I've been using this for 2 days and I'm getting what I am expected to happen. So I'm enjoying receiving calls, I'm enjoying receiving messages sa Messenger, sa Instagram, so what's up? So guys, let's talk about battery life of Apple Watch Series 5. Nagamit ko to for about 2 days na since nung in-unbox ko siya nagamit ko na siya for 2 days. Kaya siguro hindi siya nag-last ng pangmatagal kasi nga sa always on rating na display niya na hindi mo na kailangang i-lift yung wrist mo to check your time. Even though you're riding a bicycle or you're having a meeting, hindi mo na siya kailangan pang i-flip. I-ani mo ang wrist mo to check the time. And yes, that's it for now. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and comment down below if you have questions. And sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. It's Mark Tabalin. And I promise you that I will create more videos, fun videos. You can just comment down below if you have requests, anything. Gagawin ko po para sa inyong lahat. guys, it's me, Mark Tabalin, and I am officially signing off. Bye-bye.